Hello, how are you? Gonna try to make this entertaining. I can't guarantee anything, so bear with me. This is mid 1970s Briggs and Stratton. This is the flywheel. There's an arm that comes out here on the engine. This is your oil fill port is over here to give you an idea approximately where this arm is. And the arm has two holes in it. This one has a linkage. It's a steel bar with a crook on the end that goes up to the throttle that you open and close by turning it. Typical carburetor throttle. The other side has a spring. So this is trying to go this way, and the spring is trying to pull it in the other direction. If you do not have a counterbalance to this, then what will happen is as your RPMs drop, this will fly up and it'll run too fast and it'll come down and it'll flutter around. So the biggest problem on mechanical governors is you don't have the spring tension set right. This is a blow up of that with the linkage coming out of the engine. It's affected by the engine RPMs. There's a spring and there's throttle. Now on some mechanical governors they use the air force produced by the spinning blades of the flywheel instead of this here, but the principle's the same thing. There's a spring to counteract, there's a way to adjust the tension on the spring, and when you get the tension right, you get the right range out of the throttle. So if we're going from the engine forward, I've already shown you the arm and the linkage and the spring, right? The thing that the spring connects to is the bottom portion of this, and this is a flange that can be bent to adjust the tension in a gross way on the spring. There's a pivot here that's a rivet or in a plate. So if we're building from the back to the front, there's the arm, the spring, the linkage, and then this is where the spring connects, and this pivots back and forth, so it goes this way and that way. And there's an arm on the top that's connected to your throttle cable. So when you want to throttle up and you pull this in, it changes the tension on the spring slightly, which in turn changes the engine speed. The reason why it runs through that spring in the governor is so that if the engine encounters a lot of drag, it will self-compensate for that, such as like if you're running a rototiller or other type of piece of machinery.